and we have set the environment. So let's circle shoulder to shoulder as we are. Let's make this circle. Come on in, family. We're going to pour libation and then we're going to quickly have our experience. But as we are in this circle, it's very good to all be here together on these grounds. We've traveled far to come together, right? And this circle is a circle of unity that will never be unbroken. Come on, right? And now shoulder to shoulder.
All right, little man, go in a circle.
On these sacred grounds on which we stand because of our ancestors. And before we go further, we pour libation because we're here and we didn't bring ourselves here all by ourselves. We give thanks for this right now moment. It's not just time and eternity, because this ain't going nowhere. And I pour these libations this grand day on behalf of those noble ones, those righteous ones, those illustrious ones, our ancestors. We have historical ones, and we have our biological ones, our mamas, our daddies, our sisters, our brothers that are right here with us right now. And when we speak their names, and many times before we even speak their names, they never leave us. They drop this shell, but they're ever with us, guardians of protection. I know my mom and daddy is, okay? So you feel free to utilize this sacred space to honor your personal and your biological ancestors. But on behalf of our Africa for the African family, Bomani, little Bomani, and this family that leads us here for this decade of deliverance, 10 years, I call it a decade of coming straight into the heart of Mother, straight to Ghana, Togo, Benin. The Honorable, and I say Ashe, you say Ashe, I forward this prayer, and you say Ashe, okay? The Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garden.
Ashe.
The Honorable Elijah Muhammad.
Ashe.
You name some more with me. Any ones you want, just shout them out. The historical ancestors, the ones who opened the way. Kwame Ture.
Ashe.
Patrice Lumumba. Samara Michelle. Ashe. Sojourner Truth. Harriet Tubman. Mary McCarthy. Ashe.
Sophia Bakari.
Ashe. Ashe.
Little Bobby Hutton.
Dr. Francis Press Wilson.
Ashe.
George Jackson.
Ashe. 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 And your personal ancestors. The ones who sacrificed for you, for me, and all of those. We name those names. We honor you. From the north, the south, the east, and the west, we honor you. Our circle is complete. Our journey is illustrious, victorious, and forward ever, backwards never. Again, forward ever, backwards never. Forward ever, backwards never. Forward ever, backwards never. Ashe, 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 oh.
Okay, thanks so much. Now, you can. We will not be able to go to where the gravesite. The rain is really coming. Yeah.